If you are struggling to be consistent at doing positive things, you cannot be consistent at exercising, studying, and meditating. Well, maybe the solution here is instead of framing your habit as a task or as an order, you would want to frame it as a challenge. Hi, my name is Laksana, just an average person who's trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5 a.m. every single day. It has been going on for more than 8 weeks, I think. Yeah, it's 9 weeks. And hey, I want to say thank you. Thank you for actually caring about your life, because if you actually want to change your life to the better through implementing some positive things consistently, I actually really do appreciate that. This is August 10th, 2025, and this is going to be day 398 of consistently helping people build consistency. So let's just be honest with ourselves. Sometimes we just don't really like it when somebody tells us to do something, even if that particular somebody is ourselves actually. Oh yeah, I need to go run for 5 minutes. I need to study for 5 minutes. Sometimes it just feels like a command, and we just do not want to do it because hey, I just want to be lazy and um, scroll on Instagram for hours and hours in my bed. Sometimes those feelings exist. Okay, so the solution that I'm proposing here is, instead of framing it as an order that, hey, I need to do this, I need to do that, I need to do this for 5 minutes, I need to do that for 5 minutes, why don't we just frame it as a challenge? So instead of saying, hey, you need to study for 5 minutes today, why do not we say, what? You cannot even study for 5 minutes? The question becomes a challenge to your identity, okay? You want to maintain your identity as a disciplined person. Well, maybe you still have not have the identity of a disciplined person, but you want the identity as a disciplined person, right? The very fact that you are watching this video until this far means that you care about self-improvement, means that you care about changing your life to the better, okay? And when you ask yourself this question, it's going to, and frame it as a challenge. This very identity of, I want a better life and I want it to be consistent, is going to be threatened. And what do you do in order to not lose the identity? Well, precisely, you do it. Okay, you do the thing. Well, it's just 5 minutes, right? Well, yeah, I can do it. I can do it. I'm going to prove to you. I'm going to prove to myself. I'm going to prove to this challenge that I can actually do it. It's only 5 minutes. And let's say you actually manage to stick to this thing for 7 days. Consistency is going to be easier for you this way because, one, you already created the proof that you can actually do that thing consistently 5 minutes every single day without missing any single day. And secondly, you are building the ability, the adaptability also to do that thing. And the thing here is that when you frame this challenge, you can actually create another framing. So for example, on the 8th day, right? Let's just say, why cannot you? You cannot even stay consistent for 5 minutes. You cannot even do studying for 5 minutes. Well, you've been consistently doing it for 7 days. Are you falling off? Okay, let's ask ourselves something like that. So our brain doesn't really like it when it falls off, right? It wants to go up, or at least not fall off. So, in order to maintain the 7 days identity of being a consistent person, what does he or she do? Well, he or she shows up. 5 minutes. It's only 5 minutes, right? So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join our Discord, link on the description. And for today's day of fantasy post, today's August 10th, 2025, and today's memes are posted a failed trade post last 24 hours, GMT 7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I edited by myself. Thank you.